everyone. My name is Yuga Mahajan and I, along with Riya Mahadik, we're here to find out in the campus of Cummins College of Engineering if students at Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Garbinagar, Pune, they actually understand what they study in colleges or do they just keep nodding? Come, let's find out.
Sometimes we understand because we need to apply it in a clinical area, but sometimes we didn't understand anything, just we need to nod like we understanding. Sometimes we get very sleepy at that time, but then also we need to attend it like yes, we are attending the lecture and we are listening to you, and if we get sleepy, they taunt us like you should eat less so you will be less sleepy. You should not be sleepy in a lectures, you should attend lecture properly. You are dealing with the humans, so you should learn properly, you should apply it in clinical area so properly. So sometimes in the morning we attend lecture very attentively, but in afternoon after a lunch, heavy lunch, we get very sleepy, and after lunch like we didn't want to attend lecture, but forcefully we need to attend it and we like nod during the lecture.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, we are in the front of mechanical building, no IT building, but not clearly. It's okay.
Definitely not clearly. If I try to be attentive in classes, I can understand. I think that I can understand, but
So she decided to not to attend any class.
yeah, I think we should attend classes regularly so that we can understand the subjects more properly. But due to some reasons, yeah,
Sleep. First reason is sleep.
yeah. So
We nod.
Nod.
We nod.
Yes, we nod.
Simply nod. No. It depends on the faculty who's teaching.
We don't attend lectures.
But when we do, we understand what's being.
We do understand
Some of the lectures.
Yeah.
How do we actually survive boring lectures? Like any hacks?
LinkedIn games, New York Times games.
जस्ट डोंट अटेंड और इफ यू हॅव टू तर मग तुम्हाला अभ्यास करावाच लागेल, तुम्ही पास नाही होणार.
One good tip is like always leave your bag outside the class.
Yeah.
Washroom बोल के उसके बाद निकल लो, take your bag and go to Maskawala and go.
And if you actually want to make this whole session useful, start studying.
Yeah.
Books खोल के देख लो, so you actually get a link of what's happening. Or all of these work as well. These are the better options.
Yeah. Also it is not that hard. हमने किया है तो आप तो कर ही सकते हैं.
Point.
So yeah, all the best guys.
All the best.
See, for surviving the boring lectures, if they are providing the PPTs and all, don't attend the lecture, I'm saying. And if you have to survive that lecture, just list down the topic and study on your own.
Scribble. Scribble आयो.
Yeah, oh my god. अपन क्या खेलते हैं वो?
Scribble ही खेलते हैं.
हाँ, scribble आयो. Yeah, the same. वरना दूसरा कुछ तो पढ़ लो तब टाइम मिल जाता है. We do the same thing. वरना हाँ, hackathon का कुछ तो देख लो उस टाइम में. That's fun.
Reels. Scrolling is the option.
Yeah.
The same for you? Yes.
So as a nursing students, our college is very strict, so we didn't bunk any lecture. So one hack, we didn't have any hack, but we compulsory need to attend. If you are sleepy, even if you are a ill person or anything, you need to attend the lecture. You should listen the lecture and you should apply it in a clinical area as per your knowledge. So that there is no any hack.
So it's like the motivation or the driving force to be in your profession is the only.
Yes, and one thing, one hack is that teacher give us, you should eat less, so you will be less sleepy. So this is one hack, but we didn't listen to our teachers at that time. But yes.